Hello, everybody. Come on in and sit around the bead table and look what we got from Bargain Bead Box. This is February's Bargain Bead Box, and I just got it in the mail today. And the theme for this month's box is citrus, and it gives you a little paragraph about your beads. You get a 30% off coupon code with your order of this box. And they give you a coupon code valid through March 15th, 30% off. You can use it repeatedly now until it expires. And then they also have a creations contest. Whatever you create with this month's shipment, you can enter on Facebook.com/Bargain Bead Box and send them a picture of your creation, and you can be entered to win $25 gift certificate to Beadbox Bargains, which will buy quite a bit on that site. Their prices are very low, and they usually have a lot of glass beads, crystal, and gemstones. I like their site because they have a lot of gemstones. On the back is the shipment identification key, and your bags are numbered to correspond with the key. That way, you're not guessing if you know exactly what you got. It'll be labeled, and it comes in that organza bag every month. I'm having a problem with my internet. They're supposed to be here Wednesday to fix it. It took me days, like 3 or 4 days, to upload my Dollar Bead Box review. Oh, so annoying. So it'll probably take me a few days to upload this video, and I apologize, but we're going to get it fixed as soon as possible. So number one's 40 pieces, 8mm leaf bead caps. Here we go. 8mm. They look smaller than that. I guess they're 8mm. And I like that it's in silver. I love the silver findings. Alright, and they always give you quite a bit of everything, which I like that as well. Alright, number two is 5 sets, 14 by 19mm smooth toggle clasps. And let me find those. Yes, I love the size of these. We've gotten a lot on this box of the antique brass. This size, now we get the silver. Perfect size, just a small little clasp. I like that. Number three, 100 pieces, 4mm daisy spacer. Let's see. These are tiny daisy spacers. 100 of them. Look at all those. I'm just going to pour them all out. They're tiny. 4mm? Wow. They're just, I don't know if you can see them that well. They're so small. Here's your typical daisy spacer. How cute are those? Adorable. Alright, number four is 7-inch strand, 6mm faceted Malaysia jade, and it has quartz in parentheses. Here we go. It's just I guess it's just a jade color, or the trade name for them is Malaysia jade. They're very pale lime green. Gemstone. They look wet. They're real shiny. They look like, I don't know, like kind of like the inside of kiwi. Awesome. Alright, number 5, 12 pieces, 10 by 9 millimeter matte stripe crystal round beads, lemon chiffon. Okay. Number 5, here we go. 10 by 9. We've received these in before in a gray. Gray's a grayish color. These are fancy beads. I still haven't found something to use the others in. I just have to be I think a really dressy piece. Okay, number 6, 20 pieces, 10 millimeter lemon slice handmade polymer clay beads. And these are adorable. These are adorable for charms, I think. Make your own charms with them. And there's a lot of them in the bag. Little lemon slices. Isn't that cute? I mean, this is Valentine's month. I was expecting more, you know. This would be a good box for like April. But it's what we got. So I'm not complaining. But I like those little lemon slices. Okay. That was number 6. Number 7 is 2 pieces, 34 by 20 millimeter leaf chandelier components. Alright. These are pretty. They're one-sided, really, but I mean, they have. I guess they could be considered two-sided. They look about the same, but they've got holes to connect, you know, dangles off the bottom of the leaf. Maybe make a pretty pendant with the dangles hanging off. Alright, and number 8, 4 pieces, 25 millimeter triple leaf drops. Okay, these remind me of the little Japanese cherry blossom leaves or whatever. They're one-sided. And look at that. I think I would use them as a charm or a pendant. Part of a pendant, you know? Like hang maybe a flower bead with it. Okay. 8-inch strand, 6 by 4 millimeter crystal rondelle beads, matte lemon chiffon AB. So that's number 9. Lemon chiffon AB. Yes, these look like rondelles. Yeah, they are. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but I can see a faint rainbow effect, which, you know, is the AB. And they're the light color like those larger ones. Okay. 10 pieces, approximately 10 millimeter lampwork glass round beads. And they're yellow lined. clamp work. Let's say the yellow in these beads in in person is darker than when it's coming through on my screen. Number 11, 15-inch strand, 6mm crackle agate round beads, lemon meringue. These are matte bead, agate. It doesn't say they're dyed. Wait a minute. Yeah, it says agate is most likely dyed and heat treated. You could probably almost do an ombre piece with these, since some of them are lighter, some's darker, some's medium. Okay. Number 12, 4 pieces. Never give up, never give up charms. Okay. Sorry, I have the flu. I'm taking Tamiflu. It makes it a lot easier to cope with. But not fun, needless to say. It's still not fun. I think I got strep throat on top of it. Never give up is what they say. And they're a good size. You could use them for a charm or a pendant on a piece of leather or whatever you choose. Get the bag out of the way. Alright. Number 13, top drilled yellow agate pendant. This is a big boy pendant here. This reminds me of lemon meringue pie. Let me clean it off. Get the fingerprints off of it. There's the hole right here at the top. And that's, see how you can kind of see through. It's lighter when I don't put my hand behind it. Okay, number 14, approximately 5.5-inch strand lime green opaque glass beads. Opaque glass beads. These are just smooth rondelles. They look like they've got a large hole. Large enough hole to use. Well, maybe. Nope, no they don't. It's a normal hole. I think I saw these on their sister site, Bead Box Bargains, in many different colors. And it looked like a brighter green than what's coming through. Okay. Next is 1 meter, 3x2mm steel jewelry chain. I like that it's a small chain. And of course that it's silver. Look at that. Oh, is that a knot? No. It's a kink. There you go. And I also like that you get a whole meter, because when you get a foot, I mean seriously, some people don't like 12-inch necklaces. It's just a choker size, you know. So I like the full meter. I gotta get this knot out. Sorry. I need my bead all. All right. There it is. Look at all that chain. That's a lot of... I like that we get a lot of chain. And it's good quality. Smooth, good quality chain. Oh, I got caught on this. Well, I'll deal with that after. Okay. Number 16, 7.5 inch strand, 8 millimeter. What are you doing back there? Military glass coin beads. These are cute. I like the stripes going through these. They look like little flowers. They look striped on the edges because of that flower that's inside. It's military glass. Alright. And 2 pieces, 13 millimeter enameled brass lemon charms. These got some nice weight to them. Aren't these cute? I got a little leaf. A little leaf on the top. And just a little lemons. I thought those were adorable. Those are sweet. I mean, don't get me wrong. A lot of these the colors and really up my alley. But I love all the silver findings in this box. I like the lemons. I love the toggle clasps and the bead caps. The chain. I don't so particularly care for the colors, but that's me. Other people probably love it. Some people. 7.5 inch strand yellow agate English cut faceted round beads. Here's another strand of gemstones. And they're English cut, as you can see. They're agate. They're probably dyed. There's a couple, that's got browns through them. And that's just gemstones. I like that cut. You probably waste a lot of the gemstone, that cut. Okay. There we are. There's our February 2020 Bargain Bead Box. And I've got the new collection from Eureka Crystal Beads, the Flamingo Beach collection coming, and I'm excited to get that. It's gorgeous. And I'm going to get this. Hopefully they get my Wi-Fi fixed so I can get the video for this bracelet up. Except there's a couple. The one we're making is going to have a couple more of these shadow boxes, and then the rest of it's going to be, tied together. It's really cute, perfect for Valentine's Day or any day. Bracelet. So I'm hoping to get all this up as soon as possible. All right. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video.